Welcome to Home of Math. Mixed radicals, fraction and exponent all combined. Now we are going to simplify this math. Let's start. Root over 2 cube plus 1 times 4 minus 15 by 3 plus 6 minus 2 whole square. As per PEMDAS, first we have to solve P, it means parenthesis. So here is 2 cube, it means 8 plus 1, right, times 4 root over minus 15 divided 3 plus, here is 6 minus 2, it means 4 and square. 8 plus 1, it means 9 times 4 root over minus 15 divided 3 plus 4 square means 16. 9 times 4, it means 36 root over minus 15 by 3 plus 16. Now 36 is a perfect square. Once we make square root, we will get 6 minus 15 divided 3 plus 16. So plus 6 plus 16, it will be 22 minus 15 divided 3. Okay, now we can make LCM. So 3, here is 66 minus 15, here is 6 minus 5 1, 6 minus 1 5 divide 3. So 51 divide 3, it will be 17, and this is our answer. If any question, please write a line in the comments box. Today we will solve another math. Second math. Inside bracket 2 to the power 4 plus 3 square divide 10 by 2 plus root 49 minus 6. So first we have to work in bracket. So here is 2 to the power 4, it means 16 plus 3 square, it will be 9, right? Then divide 10 divide 2 plus root 49, we can write 7 minus 6. So 16 plus 9, it will be 25. This division we can make multiplication sign and the fraction will be flipped. It means 2 by 10 plus 7 minus 6, it will be 1. So we can divide this 25 and 10 by 5. So 5 times 5 means 25 and 10 divided 5 means 2. And these two we can out. So here is 5 plus 1. So here is 5 plus 1, it will be 6, and this is our answer. So it's a very important math for any kinds of competitive examination, especially set, right? So no more today. We are trying to solve two special type math, which is fraction, exponent, radicals. So next video we will try to clarify more these types of math. Thank you. Don't forget, subscribe the channel.